StiFlex is a global expert in the development and production of wall-stiffening frames and lintels, which enable the realization of the most elegant and ambitious architectural projects around the world. StiFlex is used in the construction of self-supporting walls and partitions made of bricks, blocks, panels, and drywall without any height or length limitations. In 2022, the company established an engineering center, a sales department, and launched the unique production of all system components. All of them are made from high-strength steel with two types of corrosion-resistant coatings to ensure high reliability of the structure and a service life of up to 50 years. The state-of-the-art, highly efficient, and advanced production facility is capable of producing a monthly output of frame elements for the construction of approximately 240,000 square meters of walls and partitions. The patented portfolio of components includes closed profiles with a wide range of cross-sections, connectors, fasteners, and lintels, which are delivered to the site ready for assembly without the need for cutting, painting, or welding. Our clients have already recognized the advantages of the StiFlex system and the professionalism of our team of experts who are ready to provide support at any stage of design and construction.